Race fans, welcome to a very exciting race. Today we're going to check out
some Toy Story race video.
Toy Story race video. We've got lots of good racers up today. And we've got a full crowd in attendance. Let's check out some fun racing action. What do you say, TT?
Yeah!
Let's do it.
Who's up first?
Alright, up first we have
Potato Head and RC.
Potato Head and Big RC, because we actually have 3 RCs in the race today. So, let's check them out. You gonna count them down?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, Potato Head, you seem to have had a false start. Let's try that one again. Alright, you want to say ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go!
Go! Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Oh, Potato Head! By just a little bit?
I see one!
You think so?
Yeah!
I think Potato Head. We're gonna have to go back to the video for that one.
Yes.
Alright, so up next, who we have?
Slinky Dog and Medium RC!
That's right, Medium RC this time around. Alright, let's see. Ready, set, go! Whoa!
RC
RC smoked him! Slinky Dog didn't have a chance that time.
Wah, 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 wah.
Wah, wah, wah. So next we have
Buzz and Rex
versus
RC.
yes, Tiny RC this time. Let's see. On your mark.
Get set, go!
Whoa! No, Rex and Buzz crossed first. That was a close one. They zigged and they zagged and they crossed the finish line. So up next in the race we have
Monkey.
yep, a barrel full of monkeys and the little robots. Ready? 3,
2, 1,
go! Whoa, whoa! This is the worst race ever. Wow.
You guys won!
Ready? Monkeys! And the robot's over here. Let's see where he goes. So, after those first races, now it's down to the final heat. Up next, we have Medium RC versus
Potato Head.
Mr. Potato Head. On your marks.
Only my potatoes.
On your marks. Get set.
Go!
Whoa! It was RC by a mile. Alright, up next we have
Rex and Buzz and the Barrel Monkey!
Alright, let's see who's gonna win this race. On your mark.
Get set, go!
Monkeys are going the wrong way! Oh no! Go! 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 This could take a little while. Go! 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 Go!
You can do it, monkeys!
I won! Wah. This is the final race!
Final race! It's down to medium-sized RC and
Buzz and Rex!
Buzz and Rex. I wonder who's gonna win. Are they really revved up?
Yeah.
Pull them back. Alright, let's go. On your mark.
Get set, go!
Whoa!
The crowd goes wild! And they said the crowd goes wild.
Alright, thank you race fans for watching this wonderful race today. Our grand champion is Yay, Medium RC! Now we'd like to present you, Medium RC, with our prize.
The Buttercup.
The Buzz Cup. Da 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 da!
RC's so happy.
Yay! Yay, RC!
His face, he's so happy.
He looks happy, yeah, his face is smiling.
So he loves it.
Well, thank you, race fans, for watching. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah!
And be sure to subscribe, please.
Yeah!
And also give us a
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. Yes, thanks. And be sure to leave a comment if you guys enjoyed this. And stick them up too. Oh man, watch out for that sheriff. All right, bye everybody. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.